Welcome to Gadget Solution. Lorex camera setup. First, you have to right-click on the live view, which will further help you to access the quick view. Secondly, search and click on the device search option. You need to follow is to do Lorex device login by filling in your administrator login credentials. Further, for your default username and password, simply refer to your user manual. When you are done with this, after some time you will see the system will automatically search the network of compatible cameras. Now select and click on the camera that you want to add. In case if the camera doesn't appear in the search results, you need to detach the camera for 30 seconds and then reconnect it again. When you see that the camera is connected, click Add. Now when you view that the status indicator has turned green, then that means the camera is finally connected. You can look for saving the changes once it's done. Lorex camera setup using WPS. Place the camera inside your router's Wi-Fi coverage area. Attach the camera to an electrical outlet. Click the WPS icon on your wireless network. If the WPS button on your Lorex camera is present, press it within a certain amount of time after clicking the WPS button on the router. Permit the router and the camera to connect. This could require many minutes. After connecting, substantiate that the Lorex camera setup went smoothly by looking through the camera or using the Lorex app. Thanks for watching.